Pero sabihan tayo po rin grades. Mag-reading tamo po, Kenny.
Okay.
Ate mo po,
90, 91, 92, 92,
pass,
93,
makanyan po.
94, 94, 94, 95
madam,
all.
excuse madam, mali po itang math mo. 90 mo po, 90 po rin makasulat.
90, 94, 92. Okay.
Makayan po yung scenario ngayon.
95 with high honors,
opo,
pass.
Opo. Sir, magreklamo ko po. Luluto yung po yata yung award, sir.
Bro.
Oh my God. Let's go.
Sige na, umpisahan nyo na.
Okay, welcome to our channel. We are the Pink Squadron. And I am Ma'am Bash.
And I am Teacher Edward.
And I am Teacher Reg, Sir Reg, and welcome to Clark Parade Grounds, Clark Freeport Zone, Pampanga.
Yes, so here in the Philippines, where the mountain meets the sea.
And the sun.
Yeah, it's very,
Meets
very
the sea
high.
and the moon.
Yeah.
Where the sun and the sea and the moon come together. San Simon,
Pampanga.
Pampanga.
Oh.
Very good.
Yes. So
And-
what is our topic for our first episode? Is all about what?
Oh, ang first topic pala natin ngayon for today is about mga ating mga students since silang araw-araw nating nakakasama for about 365 and 1/4 days. 365 1/4 days? O, di ba, Sir Edward? Ano ba yung mga gusto mong malaman about sa mga students? What do you want to know about them?
Marami, no? Kasi marami pa tayong mga na-experience sa kanila. For example, for this school year, dahil malapit nang matapos ang school year na to, marami tayong gustong ma-share. At ano yung mga yun, Sir Reg?
Of course, ang ating very hot topic, lalong-lalo na ngayon na season of graduation is we are going to talk about yung mga outstanding students. What
tama.
are the criteria that we have to take note of and what are the criteria or standards that students should have para mo-consider sila as outstanding
Correct.
graduates or outstanding students.
Okay. So, tamang-tama ngayong panahon yon kasi we're about to end. So, days na lang yung bibilangin and we are going to have our graduation. So, we're going to talk about how we are selecting students, especially in our new curriculum. So we have now the different rankings. So it's not about the ranking like first, second, third, but also we are about the grades or the average of the student. So since K-12, so meron tayong K-12. So ngayon ay once the students got 90% in their average grades, 90, they are entitled to have a with
With
honors.
honors. With honor.
Okay, so diba Sir Edward?
True, with honors.
Ilan naman yung with high?
With high, it starts from 95 to
Oh,
97.
very
49.
good. How about with highest?
So 97.5 when you round it off,
It's
it becomes
98.
98. So 98 going up is with highest. Ito yung pinakamataas na maaring
pinakamataas.
ma-receive ng isang estudyante.
Okay, so yun
However,
nga.
para makuha nila yung mga awards na yon, it's basically grade-based
Yes.
or grades-based, right?
So sa grade talaga.
So they will
binabasa
get
natin.
or we will compute the average of all the grades that they have received in all the subjects. Kung ano man na lumitaw, yun
na
ang magiging awards. However, I believe, Sir Edward, when it comes to graduation or graduating students, somehow nagmamatter pa rin yung ranking.
Yes. Oo.
Yes.
Bakit siya magmamatter? Why is it important that there should be a rank 1, rank 2, rank 3 or
That is to identify kung sino ba yung magsasalita ng
or magde-deliver ng message.
magde-deliver ng
Yes.
speech, no?
Speech,
That is
oo.
for the rank 1 and for the rank 2 is the
welcome address?
welcome remarks. At yung pangatlo ay
I think the prayer.
the prayer.
And the
no?
fourth
And the fourth one is the alumni
pledge.
pledge.
You're so smart talaga, Sir
Of
Edward. You already know the
course.
program.
Uh-huh.
Feeling ko host ka sa program. It's coming graduation. Siguro ikaw nagpapapractice kaya alam
Ako,
mo.
ako.
Yes.
Diba?
oo.
Ayun. So, yun, pag-uusapan nga natin. So, ano nga ba yung criteria para makuha natin yung mga ano na yan, yung mga awards na yan.
Now, if we're going to follow yung DepEd memo, magmumula lang
Yes.
talaga siya sa
Sa grades.
grades.
Tama.
Pero in totality, how can you say na outstanding ba talaga si estudyante? Is it just pure grades lang ba?
Correct.
O we have to take into consideration other factors. Ano yung mga other factors na ito?
For example, siguro sir, no, kasi we cannot compare the students na alam nating active kung i-compare natin doon sa estudyanteng nag-aaral lang talaga.
Like
Na-
pure,
Pure student lang na nasa classroom.
nag-aaral lang.
Oo, there is no competition na sinalihan,
Mm-mm.
no extracurricular activities, no club membership.
Correct.
No, kasi kung i-compare natin dun sa estudyanteng sumali sa competition, may club, no, tapos at the same time mataas pa yung mga grades,
Grades niya.
no? So I think dapat kasali yon when it comes to ranking.
Okay. So, di ba sa ranking ng K-12, may curriculum, may kasama ba yung extracurricular activities?
Actually, hindi. Kung dun sa pure with honors, with high, and with
Oo.
the highest, grades lang talaga.
Grades lang talaga.
Okay, so grades lang talaga yung yung kasama. So hindi nakasama yung extracurricular activities. Pero
Parang mas maganda or
oo,
totality.
suggestion
In
parang
our
ganon.
opinion,
In
no?
our own opinion,
In our
na isama
opinion.
yon. Parang sa sa old curriculum, di ba? Sa
Oo.
old curriculum kasi
Ganon.
may bearing yon.
Oo.
So hindi lang yung sa academics, yung
Yung
i-compute mo,
tinitignan.
meron ding percentage for for extracurricular activities. So yon. So siguro para sa atin mas okay na isama yon like
Okay,
that.
sige,
Oo.
gawa tayo ng example. For example,
Oo.
si Ma'am Basco is student A, and then si Sir Edward is
Student
student
B.
B. For example, you will be having an exam tomorrow in science. 50 points ang exam ninyo. It's a 50-point exam.
Yes.
After the exam, both of your scores 49 kayo pareho. 49 si student A,
Oo, 49
si
student
student B. However, si student A, yun lang yung ginawa niya overnight.
Oo.
She just
Okay.
reviewed for the exam. Whereas student B, apart from reviewing for the exam, he also prepared for an upcoming declamation contest, for example, which will be in the afternoon of the same day. So apart from having the exam in the morning, magko-compete pa siya. He will be
Correct.
representing the school. So if I'm gonna ask you both, they have the same scores. However,
Yes.
si student B nag-compete, magre-represent ng school. Doesn't matter whether mananalo man siya o hindi, pero ni-represent niya yung eskwelahan. Diba? Palagay nyo, in that simple example or situation, who do you think is the better student on that example? Yung more outstanding.
Ako sir, kung tatanungin mo ako, more outstanding si student B. No, kasi at the same time, nakapag-tala siya ng mataas na score, plus meron pa siyang prepare na competition. No? Ayun, I think that is additional
Plus
consideration
points,
or
kumbaga.
plus points para dun
Okay.
sa estudyante for the student B.
Okay, so yun nga. So pero yun yung dati na criteria. Pero kasi nung nagbago na tayo ng K-12, so yun nga, yung mga extracurricular activities, hindi na sila kasali.
Binibigyan
So,
naman sila like special awards.
Yes, special awards na
Separate.
lang. So definitely, kung susundan natin ngayon yung bagong curriculum, is that they have the same scores, di ba? So sa ranking or sa pagbibigay ng grades sa kanila, pareho lang. Kasi nga, kahit na nag-declaim yung isang estudyante, student B, hindi nag-declaim si student A, but if we're going to follow the criteria for the K-12 curriculum, they have the same. So the
Correct.
same score kasi,
Yeah,
49-49.
yeah.
So it means kung halimbawa, pareho yung grade nila is nakakuha sila para ng 95, so same sila na with high honor.
For example,
ganun siya.
ma'am. Oo nga, for example,
Oh.
Kung nagkataon,
nagkataon na
hindi pa the same.
hindi nagkataon na tie. For example, 95,
kunyari,
90.
sige.
Tayo,
Average na yan. Average.
kaming dalawa.
Sige, tayo.
Tayo.
Ah.
Ako nakipag-compete ako sa labas. Sino dapat ang magra-rank
Kung
1?
susundan natin yung dating curriculum, mas may edge yung nakipag-compete. Kasi nga may extracurricular activities niya. Pero kung ngayong curriculum yung susundan natin, definitely, hindi sila pwedeng maging tie. Kasi pareho silang makakakuha ng award na with high honors. Since sa K-12 curriculum, walang ganong scenario or walang ganong mga ranking like may tie. Kasi nga, di ba, ni-remove na nila yung ranking. So, there is na wala na specification if you are rank 1. Kaya nga wala ng valedictorian, salutatorian, first honorable mention. Ganon, wala na yun.
Kaya lang, kailangan natin nung malaman or
Sino yung
ma-identify
mag-speech?
sino yung mag-i-speech sa ating dalawa. Sino ang mag-i-speech?
Syempre, kung sa pag-i-speech yung yung pagbabasehan natin, so dahil tayo nga, so kung isasama mo yung yung extracurricular, so definitely yung extracurricular, siya yung mag-i-speech. 'Di ba? Kasi nga meron siyang extra na ginawa for the school.
Correct.
So siguro meron siyang karapatan para mag-speech. Pero kung pagbabasihan is yung award, so
Pantay
definitely same lang sila.
Same lang sila.
Paano kung
Ganun lang yun.
nung na-compute ang average, mas mataas talaga si BKA.
Ay di, wala talaga siyang
Tapos si
magagawa.
B pa yung nagre-represent ng school.
Correct.
O, di,
Katanggap-tanggap ba yun na siya yung,
Ay,
for
oo.
example, ma-recognize as the sort of top one at
Oo
mag-speech
naman.
ng magde-deliver ng message of gratitude during the
yes,
graduation.
katanggap-tanggap yun.
Kasi talagang siya yung mas mataas yung grade.
Oo naman, katanggap-tanggap yun kasi mas mataas yung grade niya. Obvious naman, di ba? Ang sabi nga doon, di ba, sa criteria, kung sino may
Yun na yun.
pinakamataas,
Yun na
siya
yun.
na yun. Siya na entitled doon. So, hindi ka naman pwede mag-protest. Paano mo poprotestahan? Doon nga sa pagko-compute, siya nakakuha, di ba? So, paano ko magpo-protest, di ba? So, siya nang nakakuha ng mataas. So,
Correct.
whatever, kahit 0.1 lang yan, 0.2 ang pinag-uusapan is
Kung
sinong
sino
nakakuha
yung-
ng mataas.
Oo, correct.
So, siya yun. Siya yung entitled for that, di ba? So, ganun siya. So, syempre, wag naman yung sasama ng loob natin na, ay, bakit siya? Siguro si
Correct.
sir, mas favorite niya siya. Hindi naman kasi ganun, mga anak. Hindi naman ganun ang pagpili ng kung sino yung mag-i-speech or mabibigyan ng award. Pantay-pantay lang kayo, mahal namin kayong lahat. Pero syempre, hindi naman pwedeng lahat kayo bibigyan ng award. Syempre, lugi naman ang DepEd nun. Maraming medal masyado yun.
Ito may tanong ako. Since hindi na siya part, yung new curriculum natin ngayon is different from the old curriculum we're in, kasama sa pagdedetermine ng rank yung extracurricular. Maari ba, is it possible that, for example, a teacher may give additional incentives, like additional points to a student who competes, who has lots of extracurricular achievements? Maari ba siyang magbigay ng additional points to the student, to the
Yes.
subject? For example, my subject to them is English, for example. Can I give additional points to those students who, apart from being good academically, but they also excel in extracurricular activities? Do you think that's acceptable na magbigay ng additional incentives to them in terms of giving additional points?
Tanungin natin si Teacher Edward.
I
Sure.
think,
Ano masabi mo,
Like,
Sure?
for example, magdagdag ka dun sa
Sure.
kanilang written...
Oo, kaya sa
written work.
performance. Pwede rin.
task.
Oo.
Sir, no, hindi ko may napanood akong vlogger. Si
Vlogger?
Madam.
yung master
Madam.
teacher, yung taga Bulacan.
Oo.
Oo.
Tama ba?
Kung tama pa yung pagkakatanda ko sa kanya, if it is aligned to the subject. For example, mathematics si teacher, sumali yung estudyante niya
Sa
ng
Math Olympiad.
math
ganun,
competition. Choice na nung teacher na magbigay ng additional
Alam ko
points.
kasi may will
dun sa
naman yung teacher
Oo.
eh. May
Will
karapatan
niya na yun,
naman, may
karapatan
will naman
niya
yung
yun.
teacher na
Basta
bigyan
it's
mo siya ng
justifiable.
extra grade or extra points kasi nag-exert naman ng effort yung bata. Kasi nga, yun nga, meron siyang extracurricular. So, it means, deserve niya naman bigyan ng points.
So,
So,
aminin din natin, sometimes really have to give yung mga incentives na yan. Kasi ano yan
Yes.
motivation din sa
Correct.
bata. Kasi
Correct.
baka dumating yung time, wala nang gustong sumali.
Oo, kasi
Kasi wala silang makukuha
sali ako ng sali, wala naman pala ako
Correct.
mapapala.
Actually, that's motivation
That's
din
motivation
yun.
din.
Parang reward system.
Correct.
Tsaka
reward
karamihan
system.
sa mga
Oo,
estudyante
reward
ngayon,
system.
sumasali talaga sila kasi alam nilang may additional points silang
Oo.
marireceive sa mga respective
Ay,
teachers
kailangan
nila.
naman talaga kasi na yung ano na yun, plus points. Kasi syempre, di ba nag-exert sila ng time, effort,
Oo.
energy, resources. So lahat yun, and-exert nila. Then, ano lang makukuha nila, wala lang pala. So, for whom and for what?
Baka next time di na sila
Diba?
sumali. or
Kaya nga for
participate.
whom and for what? Oh, why are we going to join this kind of competition?
Mm-mm.
So
Kung
wala naman
akong
ako makukuha
mapapala.
dito. Why are we going to exert effort, 'di ba? So yon. So siguro nasa will naman ng teacher yun na magbigay ng plus points kasi syempre kawawa naman yung bata. Kumbaga ano ba naman yung 10 points, 5 points.
Lalong-lalo na kung deserving naman talaga.
Correct.
Oo,
yung
kung
bata.
deserving naman yung bata. So deserve niya naman
Holistically,
Diba?
magaling, mabait,
Yes.
maasahan, dependable,
oo.
May mga bata na
proactive,
oo.
initiative.
May mga bata na makasing ganon. Kaya deserve naman nilang makakuha ng plus points. Hindi naman siguro masama na magbigay ng plus because that's ano lang naman. Kumbaga pampalubag loob ng bata or motivation, pang-motivation sa bata na, mag-join ulit ako kasi binigyan ako 10 points ni Sir Edward. So next time may 10 points ulit ako. Pandagdag din sa
Oo.
kahit sa performance task lang.
Tama.
'Di ba? Hindi naman ganun kadami 'yon, ilang points lang naman 'yon. 'Di ba? So ganon. So para ma-encourage lang natin yung mga ating mga student na nagjo-join sa iba't ibang mga competition. So they are just naman kasi hindi lang naman din yung sarili nila yung dala-dala nila, pati yung
Even the
pangalan
name of
ng
the school.
school.
Yes.
And of course proud ka din kasi syempre, sinong coach nito? Sinong advisor ng batang
Coach
to?
Edward.
Ang galing-galing niya. Si
True.
Coach Edward pala.
True.
Oh, Coach Edward, ang galing naman ng student mo. Oh my gosh. Oh, ang galing mo pala mag-train. Oh, ganun, 'di ba? Oh, 'di ba? So Coach Edad. So tayo kay Coach Edad kasi napatunayan niya na kaya niyang i-coach yung isang bata na para manalo.
Kaya nga dun sa
Diba?
mga students natin, future students na nag-aim talagang
Sige, maybe you want to address
Oh,
our
sige.
future
Oo.
students. Sige.
sa mga future
Kausapin mo
students
sila.
na nag-aim talaga
O
na
sabi
maging
mo, ay to ay.
rank 1, no, mas maganda kung meron kayong extracurricular activities, no.
Para may plus point.
True.
And syempre importante rin yung attitude.
Para may plus point. Yes!
Yung magaling ka nga,
Yeah.
but at the end of the day, meron ka pa palang ibang ugali
Syempre.
na pinapakita na mabibigla
Correct.
na lang ibang tao. Ay,
Yeah, respect.
Ganun pala
May
siya.
mga ganon. Siyempre yung pagiging ganyan, yung pagiging, alam nyo naman, lahat ng mga title, yung lahat ng mga title na yan, merong kaakibat yan na responsibility. O, di ba? May mga responsibility. Siyempre, pag rank 1 ka or first honor ka, so hindi lang yan nagre-reflect sa academic, academic na ginagawa mo. But of course, sa mga behavior mo, di ba? So even you're outside the school, yung mga behavior na yon is nakikita sa'yo. So, kasi, you are with honors like that. Meron kang award. So, dapat ipakita mo na deserve mo yon at ikaw yon. Kumbaga, karapat-dapat yon para sa'yo. Hindi naman sabihin na, yan nga, with honors nga yan, tingnan mo naman, napakabastos pagdating sa labas.
Oo, tama.
Ganon, diba? So, dapat
May
hindi
mga
ganon.
estudyanteng ganyan na
Yes.
ang taas-taas ng grades pero yung attitude
Oo,
ay
mataas din,
naiiba. Oo,
naiiba
mataas
yung
din na,
attitude.
hello.
Yan. So, kasi syempre, kailangan pa rin natin rumespeto sa kapwa
Correct.
natin. Kailangan pa rin nating kailangan pa rin yung attitude natin. Kasi sa labas ng school, hindi naman makikita yung grade mo. Di ba? Hindi mo naman pinapakita every time yung card mo. Suot-suot mo ba yung card mo? Ano yan, nameplate mo? Na ipapakita mo sa mga tao na, eto ako, matalino ako sa classroom. Hindi yon yung mapapansin. Pag nasa labas ka ng classroom, yung mapapansin yung ugali mo, kung paano ka makikitungo sa kapwa mo,
Oo.
di ba? So hindi naman bulalat-latin yung mga grades mo hindi naman tatanungin na, with honors ka ba? With high honors ka ba? Hindi.
Wala namang additional
Oo,
na
diba?
remuneration or sweldo yun.
Yes. So kailangan pinapakita mo yung pagiging good student mo as a whole as a whole yung pagiging good.
Correct.
Not only for academics but also yung sa mga pag-uugali mo, yung behavior mo, yan, maayos yung
How you deal
behavior
with
mo.
your fellow students, how you
Yes.
deal with the teachers.
How you respect the older people, no? Not
Correct.
only the teachers, all the people around you. Yon. So kahit sino pa yan, basta kailangan na respeto natin, di ba?
O sige, kung susumahin natin ang ating first topic, using one word or in one word, how will you describe an outstanding or excellent student?
Oo nga.
Only one word lang.
Yes.
Ah,
You have to think of one word lang.
mauna na ako.
Okay.
Sige.
Holistic.
Oh my God.
Wow!
Holistic.
Pakada! Diyos ko,
Holistic.
may word pa kayong maiisip nito. Holistic na yun sa kanya.
Kaya nga.
Nandun na lahat yun eh.
O ikaw, Ma'am Basco.
Ako, para sa akin, hindi lang yung pagiging holistic, kailang wholesome.
So, holistic and wholesome.
Oo.
How about you, the Reg?
Okay, me,
Wholesome.
kailangan siya, parang kamukhawig doon yung sinabi niyo, multi-talented.
Correct. True.
Saan ka pa?
You're not just good
diba?
academically, but in other things as well,
Wholesome.
connected to school.
Yes.
Siyempre kasama na rin doon yung attitude.
Oo.
Yes.
Yay.
Diba? Doon tayo sa for whom,
For whom,
whom and for what.
what.
Diba?
Gusto ko yan.
Tsaka message na rin dun sa mga
Mm-mm.
hindi
Ayan, may mensahe
napili.
daw. Oo.
No, hindi napili. Wag na lang sigurong bitter dun sa napili.
Oo nga naman.
No.
Mm-mm.
Kasi hindi mo lang siguro oras. Malay mo in your future, ikaw ang mag number one.
Mm-mm.
No.
It's not the end naman,
Correct.
diba?
Start pa lang
Oo,
to
marami ka
ng
pa naman,
journey mo.
Oo. Tsaka it doesn't mean naman di ka napili. You're not good.
Correct.
Tama.
You're also good. Doon lang sa point na kasi na isa lang ang yung kailangan.
Hindi
Isa
naman
lang.
pwede kasing dalawa
So you
silang
cannot
mag-deliver ng speech.
Isa lang kasi yung kailangan. Pero it doesn't mean na you are not good. You are good also. But yun nga lang, isa lang yung kailangan. So kailangan lang mamili. 'Di ba? So, di naman kasi pwedeng dala-dalawa. So, lahat naman, may kanya-kanyang talent, may kanya-kanya tayong may kanya-kanya tayong panahon. So, hintayin mo lang yung panahon mo. Malay mo, bukas or sa makalawa. Di ba, Edad?
True.
Oh, di ba
Okay, speaking of panahon,
Oo.
napakaganda ng ating weather for this
Yes.
afternoon.
Ano, kakanta ba tayo?
Sunday, pagdating ng panahon.
Okay.
Sige.
sige.
Play the song.
Ilabas ang ating music,
Karaoke. Magkakaraoke kami. So, magdi-deliver kami. Kakanta
Ay, sa
kami.
Sigera,
Yes.
pasok. I can live, I can love, I can reach the heavens above, I can right what is wrong, I can sing just any song.
I can dance, I can fly, and touch the rainbow in the sky. I can be your good friend. I can love you until the end.
What took you so long to make me see how lucky I am? 'Cause I am free, free to do the things I wanna do.
What took you so long to make me feel I can give love, a love so real?
What took you so long to let them know that I can live,
I can live,
I can love,
I can love,
I can reach the heavens above.
I can right what is wrong.
I can sing just any song. I can dance,
I can fly, touch the rainbow in the sky.
I can be your good friend.
I can love you
until the end. What took you so long to make me cry? 'Cause I will know the reason why.
What took you so
I'm so
long?
lucky I could smile.
I didn't know this for a while. I can live,
I can live.
I can love, I can reach the heavens above. I can right what is wrong. I can sing just any song.
I can dance,
I can fly and touch the rainbow in the sky. I can be your good friend. I can love you until the end.
I can dance,
I can fly.
touch a rainbow in the sky.
I can be your good friend. I can love you until the end.
Congratulations, graduates of 2025. Hey, Dad, ano mo?
Ano?
Asa na yung lata mo? I can live,
I can live.
I can love,
I can love.
I can reach the heavens above. I can right what is wrong. Ulit! Wala tumawa! Ulit! Ulitin mo ulit! Tumawa yung dad!
Tawa ako eh.
Ulit.
Ang ganda na, tumawa!
Paano mo? Ba't ka tumawa?